Hello. So in this video, I'll show you how you can deploy our Cloud Labs using Cloud-Init. You need to install Multipass and Cloud-Init binary. This is very easy. You can follow the document in the reference, and it should be done. In our case, we are using DigitalOcean as our VM partner. So first, we have to install the CLI part of it. That will be doctl, and then we're gonna approve our CLI. So do that. We're gonna run the command. I'll do auth init. And it should give you a URL where you have to validate your tokens. You can generate using the link given to the command line. Once you have it, make sure you have your dev.yml file on the same directory or the locations. If I do ls dev.yml, you can see it's here. Now, next thing we're going to do run our command. We're going to do docpl, then do the compute, and then we are running a droplet. We'll create a VM. So type create. And the virtual machine name. In our case, let's call them as a dev machine. You can name it anything you want. Region. I'm going to use Neon 3. The size. You will be changing the size during the lab time. For demonstration, I'm going to use a very small 1 CPU compute. So 1 CPU and 1 GB RAM. Then we need to specify image. In our case, when I use Ubuntu, that 22, 4, and it will be running x64 architecture. And then tech user data file. This is going to tell us what configuration file we want, and then going to wait for it to finish. We hit enter. It'll take a few seconds to provision the VM. We'll give it a second. And now we can see we got an IP address. You can also do a doctl compute droplet, and this will be the list. So we can see this is running. All we need is public IP address. Then we'll do SSH developer at the public IP address. We'll get a few seconds to boot up this server properly. It should be done now. Yes, it is. That's not. Okay, that's now. The password is maldev at 25. Everything is small letter. And if everything goes correctly, we should be logged in. You can do like, who am I? It says developer.